All right, so when we are looking at zero um, exponents, we know that it's going to equal to 1. When we're looking at negative exponents, we are going to turn our exponent into a fraction. All right, so we cannot have negative exponents technically, so we're going to make it into a fraction. All right, so let's look at this first one. We have x to the negative fifth power. We're going to change it into a fraction by putting 1 in the numerator's position and then changing the exponent to a positive and putting x to the fifth power into the denominator's position. So whenever you see a negative exponent, we're going to turn it into a fraction. 1 would be in the numerator's position, and then you would take your exponent and your base and put it in the denominator's position and make sure it's positive. Another quick example would be y to the negative second power, which would become 1 over y to the second power. All right. Now let's take a look at what happens if we have a number instead of a variable. We're still going to take it and put it into a fraction with 1 in the numerator's position and then 2 to the fifth power in the denominator's position. Another quick example that I can come up with is 5 to the negative second power. We would have 1 over 5 to the second power. Now, in some instances, when we're working with numbers and not variables, we would like for you to simplify. So this would literally turn into 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? Because there are 5 2's and you would have to multiply that. So this would be 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So it literally would be 1 over 32. All right. And then the same goes for this. It would turn into 1 over 5 times 5, which is 1 over 25. All right.